Okay, we were here. Okay, say we have solved the entire problem. We got the value of x as a negative value. What we have to do is we have to put the absolute sign. Absolute value of x is equal to 2, because absolute value is the distance of that particular point from 0 on a number line. So distance cannot be negative, hence it is positive. Okay, you will understand when we take these simple examples first. Now let's say we have, what is the absolute value. First sum says what is the absolute value of 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 म्हणजे is equal to 13. Instead of bracket we are using absolute sign. Confuse व्हायचं नाही. Okay, same thing we are putting again here, is equal to absolute value 13, and absolute value 13 is equal to 13. When you remove the absolute value, write the answer directly. Okay, next we have 4 minus 9. Absolute value of 4 minus 9, solve केल्यानंतर we get answer minus 5. But absolute value of minus 5 will be 5. Okay, because distance cannot be negative. Now 7 into minus 4. 7 4s are 28. एवढं तर सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. 7 4s are 28. What we get here is, say we are getting absolute value of minus 28. Finally what we are writing is 28. Okay, this is your answer. समजलं, because distance cannot be negative. तेवढंच आहे. Now we have some reverse kind of a problem. Okay, let's say if we have an equation where it says, this is practice set problem number 2, 3x minus 5, absolute value of 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay, now one thing is sure, that absolute value of this can be 1. Bracket असलं असतं तर 1 we can take it for granted, but it is not bracket, it is absolute value. म्हणजे काय, what could be the possibility? Actual x ची value when we substitute and we calculate, there is possibility that the answer what we are getting 1 can be 1 or minus 1. Okay, so for finding the value of x, what we have to do is we have to use both the scenarios. So here let's see. Case 1. In case 1 I have considered x as a positive number. बघितलं, दोन्ही साईडला बघून घ्या. केस 1, केस 2. ओके, आय एम नॉट युजिंग सिंगल व्हॅल्यू, आय एम युजिंग बोथ द व्हॅल्यूज. चलो, लेट 3x मायनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, इथे एक्सची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आपल्याला, कन्सिडर करायची नाही आहे. वी हॅव टेकन 3x मायनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 1 और 3x मायनस 5 इज इक्वल टू मायनस 1. दीज आर द टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. वी आर डीलिंग विथ बोथ द पॉसिबिलिटीज. नाउ 3x इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 5, 5 मायनस आहे, इथे गेल्यावर प्लस झालं. ओके, सो 3x इज इक्वल टू 6. 5 प्लस 1 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 3. Why? Because 3 into x होता, लेफ्ट हँड साईडने शिफ्ट झालं राईट हँड साईडला, तर काय होईल, मल्टिप्लिकेशन बिकम्स डिव्हिजन. ओके, सो 6/3 सॉल्व केल्यानंतर वी गेट x is equal to 2. And simultaneously in the case 2 we have, let 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Therefore 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 5, that becomes 3x is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 3. 3 is a prime number, doesn't goes with 4. Okay, so this is the least possible value. This is your final answer. So your final answer is, what is the value of x? X is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4 by 3. This is your answer. You have to write this statement, or compulsory है, as it is लिहायचं आहे in your final answer. कारण x ची व्हॅल्यू 2 नाही आहे, x ची व्हॅल्यू 4.3 पण होऊ शकते कदाचित, पॉसिबल आहे. ओके, चलो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम वी हैव इज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. So here also we will consider the case 7 minus 2x is equal to 5 or 7x minus 2x 7 minus 2x is equal to minus 5. Okay, case 1 will take positive. 7 minus 2x is equal to 5. Therefore minus 2x is equal to 5 minus 7. Minus 2x is equal to minus 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 upon minus 2. Automatically minus minus cancel, 2 2 cancel, 1 positive वाला आपल्याला. ओके, असं लिहायचं नाही आहे, बट जस्ट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टँड आय हॅव पुट अ सर्कल ऑन 1 अँड मार्क्ड इट ॲज पॉझिटिव्ह. ओके, केस सेकंड. 7 minus 2x is equal to minus 5. Minus 2x, 7 इथे गेला, minus 5 minus 7, this becomes minus 2x is equal to minus 12. ओके, 5 plus 7 करून बघा, 12च आहे. x is equal to minus 12 upon 2 division. 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 6. बरोबर, मायनस मायनस कॅन्सल झालं, 6 आलं. So here the answer will be x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 6. This is your answer. Easy है, एकदमच easy है. ओके, ॲब्सोल्यूट व्हॅल्यूमध्ये अजून आहे आपल्याला. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3 काय दिलं आहे? 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to 5. So again this will be, what cases will you see? 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to plus or minus 5. We are taken first case as positive, and when we try to solve this, 8 minus x is equal to 5 into 2. काय इथे डिव्हिजन आहे, सर्वात पहिले 2 इथे गेला, 5 into 2. 8 minus x is equal to 10. Therefore minus x is equal to 10 minus 8. Minus x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 2. Okay, very simple equation solve करतो आपण. These kind of equation we have done when we were introduced to equation in standard 5th. Okay, case second. 8 minus x upon 2 is equal to minus 5. 8 minus x is equal to again minus 5 into 2, that is 8 minus x is equal to minus 10. Minus x is equal to minus 10 minus 8. 10 and 8 becomes 18. Minus x is equal to minus 18. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 18. Therefore the value of x will be x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 18. This is your final answer. Let's take the fourth and last problem of this practice set. Okay, in this video itself थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा, लेकिन इधर ही ख़त्म करते. नेक्स्ट एक और वीडियो बनाने का मतलब नहीं है. विल स्टार्ट विथ प्रॉब्लम सेट. 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. Now here we have 1 as a p upon q number and 1 is a natural number. Okay, but our case what we have to consider is stick to the solution. 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to plus or minus 5. Therefore case 1 अपन प्लस वाला इथे घेतला, मायनस वाला इथे घेतलं, and solve it individually. 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to 5. Therefore 5 plus x is equal to 5 into 4. 4 इथे गेला, multiply होईल. Okay, therefore 5 plus x is equal to 20. Therefore x is equal to 20 as it is. 5 going towards the right hand side, here it is positive, becomes negative. 20 minus 5, therefore x is equal to 15. Okay, the next one is 5 plus x upon 4 is equal to minus 5. Now here when we see, okay, 5 plus x is equal to minus 5 plus 4, sorry, into 4. Okay, that becomes minus 20. इथे आपल्याला प्लस आलेला, इथे minus 20 आला, एवढाच डिफरन्स आहे. ओके, therefore x is equal to minus 20 minus 5, then x is equal to minus 25. Okay, easy है. Finally you have to write this answer. Therefore value of x is x is equal to 15 or x is equal to minus 25. Final answer. Okay, chalo, practice set 2.5 is also over. Now we have to start with problem set 2. Now one thing in 9th standard students you will come across in your maths book is always all the new kind of problems whatever you have to learn will be taught to you in the entire lesson through the references of various practice sets, as we have done practice set 2.1, 2.2, 3, 4, 5 जे केलं आहे आपण ऑलरेडी. बरोबर, या सगळ्या प्रॅक्टिस सेटमध्ये वॉट एव्हर द काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स वी हॅव डन, द सेम काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम्स विल बी repeated for you with new numbers. Of course will be a little harder than whatever you have done. ओके, कारण टेक्स्टबुकवाले काय हुशार असतात, सिम्पल प्रॉब्लेम स्वतः सॉल्व करतात आणि हार्ड प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम सेटमध्ये टाकून दिलेला आहे, यू सॉल्व करा. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट विथ प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2. जसं पहिला प्रॉब्लेम बघून घ्या. राईट द नंबर इन पी बाय क्यू फॉर्म. आपण 2.1मध्ये हेच केलं होतं फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. ओके, ऑलरेडी 10 मिनटाचा व्हिडिओ झाला आहे. कदाचित 1 GB वरती गेलं असेल. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट मोर दॅन 1 GB आय सपोज. सो दिस प्रॉब्लेम सेट वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ द इन द नेक्स्ट video. Okay, chalo, bye for now.